What up, what up, what up? It's your boy John, making this video right here, telling you exactly how to meditate properly. This video is gonna be for beginners out there who may be thinking about meditating, or you've been meditating and you wanna get better at meditating, or you're afraid of meditating for whatever reason, because I know some crazy people out there that think meditating is weird or whatever. But I want you to know right now, if somebody out there is judging you or thinks that meditation is weird, I want you to know that they're the fucking weirdo, right? It's not you that's the weirdo. First off, meditation is a great thing, right? It's not a bad thing. It keeps you calm, it keeps you still, and most importantly, it keeps you focused on what really matters in your life, right? At least this is what it does for me. And it keeps my mind clear, you know, because every day when we're going through our normal day-to-day basis of life, there are things that can happen that could kind of trick us out of our position a little bit, right? Or cause us to have wavering intentions, or causes us to second guess ourselves. So what meditation does is resparks that certainty within yourself. It resparks that focus that you need to stay in line with your purpose, and it just helps you to execute much better in every area of your life, right? Whether you're trying to do better in business, if you're trying to do better at a job, if you're trying to do better in a sport, if you're trying to do better at school, whatever, meditation is going to help you to be able to break through to that next level and really harness your destiny and really take control of your life. So what I'm going to be breaking down is how to meditate. You know, what is meditation and how does it work? Well, there's nothing evil about meditation, right? It's you actually becoming more in tune. It's you becoming more in tune with yourself. It's you becoming more in tune with your purpose and just more clear on what you need to do next. What's the best decision that you can make next to create more results, more financial prosperity, better relationships and things of that nature. So it just stills the mind and gets you thinking very clear. So the way that I like to meditate is I lay down on my back, right? Usually when it's very quiet, like extremely quiet, late at night, middle of the night when everybody's sleeping, I'll lay down on my back. And I like to have the minimum amount of clothes as possible, right? Like you don't want to have mad clothes on because, you know, the clothes are just, you know, it's just kind of heavy on you. So the lighter you feel, the better. So usually if you just want to lay down, if you're a woman in your panties or something like that, or you can lay down naked, whatever. Or, you know, with me, I just lay down in my boxers. That's it. And I'll just lay back. And you can also sit up, right? You can sit up and you can meditate sitting up as well. But I prefer to lay down. So I'm going to tell you how I go about meditating to get the most results. Now, before I used to think that meditation was like you just lay down and close your eyes type of thing, but it's not really how you meditate. I'm gonna tell you how to meditate. The way that you meditate is you lay down on your back, right? And you stretch out. You put your arms out and you stretch out your legs and you lay down on your back. And I prefer to have some type of meditation music, positive music playing in my headphones while I'm laying on my back, because it just helps you with the meditation process. You don't have to have this type of music, but it helps me. So I highly recommend to have like 432 hertz frequency sounds playing in your ears while you're meditating. And what you do is you lay back, you simply close your eyes, and there's no strain in this process, right? This shouldn't be something that's extremely hard to do. You just close your eyes, you relax. The main thing with meditation is you relax, you let loose, you let your muscles relax. You don't want to be tense, right? You don't want to be too tense. You don't want to be too tight. The whole point of meditation is you just relax and you exhale, you inhale, and you just relax and you let go. Even if there's muscles in your face that's contracting or tight, let go of the muscles. Let go of the muscles. Close your eyes, let go of the muscles. Just relax, right? And then what's going to happen is you start visualizing. This is what I like to do, right? I start visualizing exactly what I want to happen in my life. Everything that I desire, I start picturing it in my head, right? I start giving myself mental pictures as if I'm doing exactly what I want to be doing in my life, right? Everything that I desire, I see it in my head already. It's already there, right? So you lay back and you start visualizing. And you start visualizing whatever you want to accomplish in your life, right? And at first, what's going to happen is your mind is going to be wandering on all types of things, right? You're going to be probably thinking about somebody, or your mind is going to wander and, oh, wow, I was supposed to pay this bill, or wow, I was supposed to go see such and such. Oh, wow, that movie I watched earlier was real funny. Oh, wow, you know, I got to do this. Your mind is going to be jumping around like a monkey in a cage, but you want to still that monkey, right? Just keep focus, because you want to get out. You don't want to be thinking about all types of random things, but it's normal when you're starting off your meditation, it's perfectly normal to have your mind jumping around, right? You just want to, the purpose of meditation is to calm the mind and focus on a specific vision. Focus on a specific vision, right? Focus on a specific vision. Quiet all the noise, quiet the monkey, quiet the monkey, quiet the monkey. And then you just stay focused on what you want to stay focused on, right? And then you're going to be visualizing something great, something phenomenal, something that you want to achieve, something that you want, a materialistic thing. It could be yourself driving a car you want, in the mansion you want, in the condominium you want, laying out on the beach, whatever you're visualizing, that's what you want to manifest in your life, right? So you lay down, you close your eyes, you visualize it, you stay focused on that, right? And you start to see everything, create in your mind exactly what you want to see, detail by detail by detail, right? I'm talking about feel yourself touching whatever it is that you want. Feel yourself actually experiencing whatever it is that you want. Feel yourself how your emotions would feel being exactly what you want to, where you want to be, right? Maybe in the visualization process, you may visualize someone, a relationship that you want, and having good vibes into that, in that meditation. The feeling is what really takes your meditation to a whole nother level, right? Yeah, that good feeling as if it's really occurring, it basically tricks your subconscious mind into thinking that this is actually real, and then it forces your body to start to act in line in a way that's gonna bring exactly what you're visualizing closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer to you. Right? So that's the power of meditation. And then once you have that visualization, the more you do it, it's not something that you just do once a year or once a month or once a week. I like to meditate every single day, right? 20 to 30 minutes a day, I like to meditate every single day. And the more I meditate, the better you're gonna get at visualizing. The more you meditate, the better you're gonna get at seeing exactly what you want. And the results are gonna be so phenomenal. You're gonna start to be real calm. You're gonna become fearless. You're gonna become extremely faithful. You're gonna be really in tip-top shape in whatever you're doing. You're gonna be a beast at it. You're gonna get better quality results. I'm telling you, it's gonna change the course of your life if you're consistent at it. I don't know, my dog's about to fucking start barking. Cosmo, sit down. He's about to, whenever he starts looking out the window, he's about to start barking. But yeah, so that's what I want you to do. Relax and keep that mental picture in your mind of exactly what it is that you want. Let me just make sure the time, okay, the time, we're good. But yeah, so just keep visualizing exactly what it is that you want. I'm looking at this fucking guy because he thinks he's slick. I don't want him to start barking. So you visualize what you want, and that's how you meditate. You do it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and that's all you need. That's all you need is about 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you're gonna feel much better, right? It's almost like a subtle high you're gonna feel after meditating. You're gonna be much more clear in your goals and what you need to do next. You're gonna feel a calmness over you, right? You're not gonna have a scattered mindset. You're not gonna be confused. You're gonna be very focused on what you need to do, and you're gonna be in line with what you need to do, and it's gonna bring you a lot more results. So I highly recommend that you start meditating. In the link of the description of this video, check out the links, right? Check out the links. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to fucking subscribe. Nah, but for real, all just aside, just subscribe to my channel. Look in the description of this video. You're gonna see a whole bunch of different links, probably to different products that I created that can help you to really get to that supreme being level of thinking where literally you're just commanding and manifesting whatever it is that you want in your life. You're gonna see other things probably in the description, like my Facebook. Like my Facebook link where you can connect with me and stuff like that. So this is John Belcher. I hope that this makes sense to you. I hope that you got some valuable information and you're gonna start applying this. I hope you start applying it, right? Don't be afraid of meditation. There's nothing wrong with it. It's actually extremely beneficial, extremely beneficial. So I highly recommend that you start meditating. Start meditating. Don't just close your eyes. Visualize while you're closing your eyes, right? Visualize. This opens up your third eye, gets you real clear on your destiny and what you need to do, and this meditation process is gonna bring your goals to you. Maybe in another video, I'll talk about how meditating can bring your goals to you and stuff like that. But this is John Belcher. I'm gonna see you later. Peace.